Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the country you are watching this video from. In today's video, we are going to be looking at differentiation from first principle. We have a question before us. We have to differentiate y equals to x squared from first principle. It simply means we are to find or we are to differentiate y with respect to x using first principle. Without wasting time, let's take a solution. In solving differentiation from first principle, we have different rules. One of the rules is to add delta y to y and add delta s to s. This is one of the rule. Second rule is to subtract y from both sides. To subtract y from both sides. Y minus y is what? 0. So that one will go out. It remains delta y equal to s plus delta s square minus, if we remember, our y is what? Equal to s square. So use that one to replace this y here. Use that one to replace y. So this is what we have left. Now, how can we solve this? How can we solve this s plus delta s bracket close and open square? To do this, we are going to make use of Pascal triangle. Let me draw Pascal triangle here. Make use of Pascal triangle. This is our Pascal triangle. We have 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 1, 1. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1, 1. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1, 1. So on and so forth. Now this first one is called zeroth row. We don't use it. So this one is what? Our first row. Second row. This is our third row. This what? Fourth row. So on and so what? Forth. This is our Pascal triangle. Now back to our question. Since this is raised to power of 2, we go back to our Pascal triangle. Which row do you think we are going to use? We are going to make use of what? Second row. Since the question is raised to power of 2. If we have a question raised to power of 3, we use what? The third row. Now in using this second row, we use this one to multiply the first variable. 1 times s is what? S. So here we are going to have delta y equal to 1 times s is what? S. Raised to what? Power of 2. Plus. Now these two, we are going to use these two to multiply everything in the bracket. 2 times s times delta s is 2s delta s plus the remaining one to multiply the last variable. 1 times delta s is what? Delta s raised to power of what? 2 minus s square. So if you look at this very well, s square cancel what? S square. This question is very easy to solve. What is remaining? We have 2s delta s plus delta s square. The next thing we are going to do, we divide through by what? Delta s. Divide through by what? Delta s. This cancel this. 1 delta s here, we cancel this. So we have delta y over delta s equal to what is left here is what? 2s plus delta s. Now for us to eliminate this delta s, there is a rule that says limit of s approaching 0, delta y over delta s is equal to what? Dy ds. So we are going to apply this rule here. So since limit of s approaching, since limit of delta s approaching 0, delta y over delta s is equal to what? dy dx. This we are going to have dy ds equal to, anywhere we see delta s, we limit it to what? 0. So here we have 2s plus what? 0, such that dy ds equal to 2s plus 0 is what? 2s. This is the answer to our question. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to help me to share and like this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now.